Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Deepshika and you are watching Study with Deepshika. So, as you all know that I make videos related to universities, scholarships and schemes which can be helpful for the students. So mostly as I make videos on Azim Premji University, so today also in this video I am going to discuss about the postgraduate diploma programs in Azim Premji University. Now, in Azim Premji University in Bangalore campus, there is also the postgraduate diploma programs, which is mainly in education. So in this video, I am mainly going to discuss about the different type of diploma courses that are offered here. Okay, so do watch the full video. And if you will like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. In my further videos, I am going to make the series of these postgraduate diploma programs. I will explain in detail one by one the diploma programs, what are the eligibility criteria, what are the fees offered, how you can apply for the scholarships, this all things. Okay, so if you are feeling that this content can help you or can help someone, then please subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you can get the updates. So the different programs of diploma that I am going to discuss today in this video, it's mainly of 1 year program. And it's in a very flexible and blended mode. It will be online and offline both. So the first diploma program that this Azim Premji University is offering for the year 2024 to 25 is Postgraduate Diploma in Education, Early Child Education. Okay. Then the second one is Postgraduate Diploma in Education, Inclusive Education. The third one is Postgraduate Diploma in Education, Teaching Children with Learning Disabilities. So all these courses that I told you now, these have the different eligibility criteria, but today I am going to discuss in general about all the 5 courses. So now let's discuss that who can join this program. So this program is mainly designed for the professional who is working in the educational area for at least 2 years. So it's not that only teacher can join this course. Along with the teachers, the curriculum developers, the academic coordinators, government, private NGO bodies working with the school systems and many different people can also apply. As mentioned earlier that this program is of 1 year, and in this PG diploma program it will comprise of the 4 certificate program, and each certificate program will spread over the 12 weeks. Okay. And in this 4 certificate program, each certificate program will have 1 week of on-campus engagement. And other than that, it will be of online teaching, which will be conducted through lectures, workshops, presentations, readings, participation in discussion forums and through the video materials. So now let's discuss about the admission process, that how you will apply and after applying what will happen. Okay, so step 1 will be online application form with statement of purpose. Okay, there will be a form and you have to write a statement of purpose. Step 2 will be panel interview that will be conducted online. Okay, so as I told that there will be 4 certificate courses spread over the 3 months. Okay, and in total there will be 1 year of course. So one thing I forget to mention that is very important is that the courses that I mentioned earlier in this video. So the first 3 courses that I mentioned, early childhood education, inclusive education and teaching children with learning disabilities. So for this program, when you have to come on campus, it will be held in Bangalore also and in Bhopal also. But for the PG diploma program for educational assessment, it will be only held in Bangalore. The online assessment and the online components will held in Bangalore only. So to get the quality education, you can join these diploma programs. To know more about it, I will give you the link in my description box. You can go and you can see more about it. You can read more about it and you can then apply. So in my further video, I will also discuss about these programs in detail. Okay, so this all for today's video. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. It will take only few seconds. Please go and do it and help me to grow. Okay, so we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.